Hey guys, this is the Ryobi cordless pole saw. This is the 18-volt model with a 20 centimeter or 8-inch blade. And when you get this ready for first usage, you should check is the chain tension good. So here we see that the chain is quite nicely tensioned. If it is not, there is a chain tensioning screw here at the base of the chain, so in here. Let me see if I can get the focus on there. So it's here at the bottom, and you just stick the tool which came with it into that hole, and then you rotate, and you will see when the chain gets looser or tighter, so then you know you're doing it in the correct direction. And this is the bar or guide bar for the chain. So this is the tension screw for the guide bar. So it should not be loose. So it should be quite tight. Don't over tighten, but like in the kind of locked position, because if it's not, it would wobble like that, and that's not good. You also can check here the rotation direction is this. So if you pull the chain, it should move, but you should wear some thick gloves because the chain is really sharp. And in addition, you get 76 milliliters of the bar and chain oil. So this is automatically lubing this guide bar and the chain. And the bar oil cap is here. So open that cap up and then go ahead and pour oil in there. So you can open up the cap here on the oil can with a screwdriver or something like that. And then you can pour in some oil. Next, it makes sense to just try the saw without the extension piece over here. So just line this little groove, or this little black thing into the groove, and you should be fine. And then pull up the sleeve and lock it into place. Like this. And the harness, the thing with the quick release, goes here in the front. And the other side goes here in the back. Next, you need to plug in a battery there. Next, make sure the chain cover is off, and here on the trigger you need to pull down this and then push on the trigger to start the saw. Okay, this is a quick demo of the saw, but this branch is now on the ground, so it won't hold in place very well, but we can still try. Okay, it actually seems my battery is empty. I need to switch to a different battery. Okay, now I have a 4 amp hour battery on it, and it balances a lot better, and the chain is also cutting a lot better. So If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and check the link below in the description for my unboxing and link to Amazon. Thanks for watching.